is Elise. I am the Senior People and Talent Manager at Beam, and we're the world's first crowdfunding platform for homelessness. So we're a tech for good startup, and we focus on getting homeless people into full-time employment and housing. I think having EngageWith in your sidebar, it makes you, not only does it remind you and send you notifications to send a kudos or a shout out to someone in the company, but it's just also a lot more fun. It's a lot more engaging to use the tool, and that's because you're able to link it to your values. You're able to, use a GIF or insert emojis. It's just a lot more fun to use as a tool. So what we've seen in the culture is that engagement has really just increased massively with that tool, and people have been sending far more lovely messages, which obviously make everyone feel very happy, and it makes them feel motivated and want to continue with their work and continue doing even the smallest of jobs. So it's created quite an understanding culture whereby you know that no matter what you do, it will get recognized at some point. And we make sure that all of our kudos and shout outs link to our values. So it means that people are living and breathing those. So not only are we very mission led, and the company and the people that we hire are very driven by the mission, but we're also able to make an impact internally. So it means that people feel more rewarded. They feel like they're being recognized for small things, large things. And it means people that might not necessarily get any recognition from managers can get it from their teammates. So it just creates a really positive culture and atmosphere. And when I tell new hires or new people that I'm interviewing, candidates, they ask me about the company culture, and I always mention EngageWith, because it allows for this incredible recognition piece that's really important at all companies, but I think especially startups, when everything's so fast paced and you might forget to recognize someone even though they've done you a massive favor. It takes probably minutes, if not seconds sometimes. And when I have come to you guys with queries, if you've been able to resolve it there and then, you have instantly. All I had to do was send you a screenshot of it and you knew exactly what was going wrong. And then on the flip side, if there is something that has taken a bit more time, you've always provided updates and let me know exactly where it is in the pipeline and when it's going to be sort of done by. So it's a really amazing customer service, but also very personalized, which I love.